Hey guys, welcome to the channel, Taking a Bath in the Bathroom. It's where you can play your gadgets and channel. We do product reviews and also something further. You want to support the channel? Got my ebook, bang. www.manselling.com. Hey, you want to get your merch? Go ahead and look in the description of the video. Email the real man. She'll get it right out to you. Even got some masks, guys. Someone have to wear that mask. All right, guys, quick video. Now, those of you that have been following me from the beginning know that this channel was based on doing product reviews, but mainly I got started because I wanted a pair of cheap Bluetooth headphones. All right, now this is the xbt-880, and these Bluetooth headphones run you around $32. Now let's talk about it, guys. What you're going to get in the box? Inside the box, of course, you're going to get the user manual, stuff like that. You're going to get the USB cable. You're going to get a aux cable that is braided. Okay, that is very, very, very important to have a braided aux cable, 3.5 aux cable. And the reason why is those braided cables last longer. Now, also inside the box, guys, you're going to get the headphones themselves. Now, let's talk about the build quality. Very light, right? It's plastic, and you do have some swivel on the ear cups, okay? They are labeled right and left in the inside of the ear cups right there. And one of the things you want to pay attention to is when you are adjusting it. See how I got the little braided cord? I'm not a big fan of this. I'm always scared that this is going to get caught on something if I throw it in a gym bag or something like that. This is plastic. Also, I don't see they got a metal band inside of there. But this is what you're going to get. They can't collapse, like I said. I can just throw it in the gym bag, bang. Pairing it up is pretty simple. The only thing you want to do is get your Bluetooth enabled device like your cell phone or something like that. You want to put it into pairing mode. You want to go ahead and hold down the power button. Okay, you hold down the power button. You're going to get an indicator that's going to blink blue and red right here. Also, this spot right here, where you have your aux connection and your charging wire. Pull this little tab right there. You can go from using the battery, or you can just be wired. Okay. The buttons themselves, guys, I mean, it's pretty good. You can hear it. You know, I like it. You know, if you want to switch tracks, you got a long press. Forward or back to jump in between the tracks on your music. You can answer and end calls right here. It's very usable. Now, comfortability. Is it comfortable? I wore it to the gym, and working out in the gym with it, guys, it got the job done in the gym. And I would say this. You see this fit right here? You see how it's not like forming? You got this gap. A lot of headphones have that gap right there, okay? But I would love for it to be a little more fitting. The sound quality is decent, I'm not gonna lie. Now, you're not gonna get killer bass or whatever. The music sort of like blends together, but it's nice and crisp. I can put it up high. It's not gonna distort the music, so I'm cool with that. You're going to get a lot of bleeding out of here because even though they are over the ears and the ear cushions on here feels good, it's not sealing completely, so you're going to get a lot of bleeding of sound out of these headsets. Just be aware of that. If you're sitting by someone and they are on side of you, you have a crank up loud, potentially they're going to be able to hear sound bleeding out. These are affordable headphones, guys. Now, what is this good for? I showed you that I had it in the gym. I wouldn't use this on bench day because I'd be too afraid that they'll come off. Now, I'm not saying it would, but I'd be too afraid that they would come off whenever I lay down on the bench. Take it for a run, even though they're not made for running. When I was running with them, guys, it felt good. I was able to be immersed into my music. Like I said, they can get loud. They don't have they don't have noise cancellation, but they can get loud. The battery life on this is, I think, around 18 hours or something like that, 15 hours and 180 hours of standby time. When you're looking at something like this, guys, for $32, hey, it's always good to have a nice pair of headphones, you know, even if you want to use it for a backup or something like that. Me, I like to keep like some spare earbuds or headphones in my gym bag. There's no worse feeling than showing up to the gym and realize you forgot your headphones, guys. So there you have it, guys. This is the xbt-880, and I think it's a good pair of headphones. I'm gonna go ahead and put the website in the description of this video, guys. Go ahead and check it out. Hey, it's your boy taking a bath. Until next time, peace. Don't forget to subscribe. Affordable and reliable. Don't forget to subscribe and also hit that notification button so you can be up to date with all of my latest videos.